Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will understand values in psychology. Values are fundamental beliefs or standards that individuals or groups hold, guiding their behavior and decision making processes. They represent what we consider important in life, shaping our attitudes, motivations, and actions. Values are not just preferences, they are deeply rooted principles that provide an internal guide for how we behave and interact with the world. Several psychologists have offered definitions of values that highlight their complex nature. Milton Rokeach described values as abstract ideas, positive or negative, tied to specific objects or situations. These represent a person's beliefs about the ideal mode of conduct or desirable end state. Gordon Allport defined values as anything that serves as a means of attraction or satisfaction. He emphasized that values are more than mere preferences, they are preferences justified by reasoning, moral or aesthetic judgments, and are often supported by a combination of these factors. Characteristics of values. Values are multifaceted and have several important characteristics. 1. Cognitive, affective, and directional aspects. Values are not just thoughts, they involve feelings and drive specific behaviors. 2. Stability and endurance. Values are generally stable and enduring over time, influencing behavior across different contexts and situations. 3. Deeply ingrained in personality. Values are a core part of one's identity, deeply embedded in an individual's personality. 4. Abstract and non-object specific. Unlike attitudes, which can be directed towards specific objects, values are more abstract and generalized. 5. Criterion for action. Values serve as a guide or criterion for selecting actions, helping individuals make decisions aligned with their beliefs. 6. Cultural and experiential foundations. Values are shaped by cultural background, personal experiences, and societal influences. 7. Psychological and social needs. Values reflect a combination of psychological demands and societal needs, bridging the gap between individual desires and social expectations. 8. Basis for personal and social judgments. Values influence how we evaluate and judge others' behaviors, as well as our own. Types of values. 1. Spranger's classification. Edward Spranger classified individuals into 6 value types, reflecting different ways people prioritize values. Theoretical, values truth and knowledge. Economic, values practicality and usefulness. Political, values power and influence. Aesthetic, values beauty and artistic expression. Social, values love, kindness, and social connections. Religious, values spirituality and a connection to the divine. 2. Rokeach's value system. Milton Rokeach differentiated between two types of values. Terminal values, desired end states or life goals, example, happiness, peace, freedom. Instrumental values, modes of behavior or means to achieve terminal values, example, honesty, responsibility, hard work. Measurement of values. 1. Kohlberg's Moral Judgment Scale. Lawrence Kohlberg developed this scale to measure moral reasoning and how individuals' values evolve through different stages of moral development. 2. Rokeach Value Survey. RVS. The Rokeach Value Survey is a widely used tool that assesses an individual's ranking of terminal and instrumental values, providing insights into their value system. 3. Allport-Vernon-Lindsay Study of Values. This assessment measures individuals' values in terms of the 6 types identified by Spranger, helping to understand the dominant values that guide their behavior. Difference between attitudes and values. Though closely related, attitudes and values are distinct constructs. Values are broader and more abstract, guiding principles that dictate what is considered right or desirable. They are more stable and enduring over time. Attitudes are specific evaluations of particular objects, people, or situations. They are influenced by values but are more changeable and context dependent. Conclusion: values are central to understanding human behavior in psychology. They are deeply ingrained, abstract constructs that guide decision making, influence attitudes, and shape the way individuals interact with the world. Understanding the different types of values, how they are measured, and how they differ from attitudes provides valuable insights into the psychological underpinnings of human behavior. By exploring these aspects, psychologists can better comprehend the motivations and actions of individuals and groups within various cultural and social contexts. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.